I'm getting, wow, your skin looks great, and all these questions, and what is that you've been using? And today I will be discussing the Vanity Planet facial steamer. This little baby right here.
Welcome to the Living Irving channel.
So I want to go ahead and open up the back of this and show you. It has a little water tank right here in the back, and when I tell you this system is so easy, that's what it looks like. This pops right out, and I'm a little bit low on water right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up to the top. So it's just very easy. It screws off right here. You pour distilled water in it, and you just pop it right on back in. Simple as that. What I love about it, it has these little stoppers on the bottom, so when you have it on your table or wherever it's sitting, it's stuck there, so it won't fall off. It's stuck in place. And this is the little nozzle right here where the steam comes out of. It's adjustable. Your steamer comes with some little extra cups, and you would just put the cup on top of here, and you could put in any essential oil of your choice for a more relaxing experience. So if you're stressed out, lavender is something that's really good to use to help relieve stress. Also, I like to use like the eucalyptus. I suffer from chronic sinus issues, so the eucalyptus is very soothing during my facials. I want to go ahead and open up the back of this, and you plug it in, and there's the start button right there, and I'm gonna go ahead and start this bad baby up and let it get crunk up. Now it only takes like less than a minute to steam up, and look at all the steam that's coming out of here. And again, look, you can just adjust it like this, move it down, just wherever you're sitting. So basically the steam is going, and that was hot right there. So this is no joke. Steam can hurt you. So I'm not sure why this turned off. But you want to hold it about 8 inches away from your face when you're steaming. Now, I do have a full face of makeup on right now, and that's one of the things I love to do when I'm applying my makeup. I used to like to use I would spray this a couple of times before I use my setting spray. This is some Mario Badescu lavender spray. But now what I do is I just go ahead and just put this a couple of inches away, and I point the nozzle towards my face, and I just let the steam just kind of sink in to my face. And what it does is it just melts the makeup in, so you can see what I look like prior to this. So I'm just gonna let this steam just sit here for a few minutes, and then I want you to see how my skin looks afterwards. Okay, so I've just got done steaming my makeup, and just wanted you to see just how glowy my skin looks and feels. It just feels so hydrated. So if you're someone suffering with dry skin, this is great. After applying your makeup, it just gives you that dewy look. Now, if you're not going for the dewy look, then I would not recommend you do facial steaming after applying makeup. You may want to go with something like the all-nighter spray or something like that, something matte to just give you that matte look. Right now, I am mad obsessed with this. It's very affordable. I will click the link, put the link below in the description if you're interested in purchasing the Vanity Planet facial steamer. It is amazing. You will not regret it, I promise you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you go out and purchase your Vanity Planet facial steamer today, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.
This is for the mature women out.